A slightly textured stitch which produces a soft fabric. The loop stitch is an easy crochet pattern which you can use for a variety of projects. Chain a multiple of 2 and add 1 for your beginning chain. For this tutorial, chain 21. Row 1, draw up a loop on the third chain from the hook, yarn over and draw up a loop in the next chain. Yarn over and draw through all 4 loops on your hook. You have just created your first loop stitch. Repeat this pattern, chain 1, loop stitch in the next 2 stitches. Repeat until the last chain. To create your loop stitch, draw up a loop in the next stitch, yarn over and insert your hook into the next stitch. Draw up a loop. Yarn over and draw through all 4 loops. Chain 1 and single crochet in the last chain. Turn your work. Row 2, chain 2. Loop stitch on the first stitch and next chain 1 space. Repeat this pattern, chain 1, loop stitch in the next stitch and in the next chain 1 space until the end of the row. Chain 1, single crochet in the top of the turning chain. Turn your work. Round 3, chain 2, loop stitch in the first stitch and in the next chain 1 space. To create your loop stitch, insert your hook into the designated stitch and draw up a loop, yarn over and insert into the next stitch, draw up a loop, yarn over and draw through all 4 loops. Repeat this pattern, chain 1, loop stitch in the next stitch, chain 1 space until the end of the row. chain 1 and single crochet in the top of turning chain. Repeat row 3 of the pattern until you have reached the rows needed for your project. Don't forget to subscribe, like or share this video or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.